All right, you all, let's check out these awesome cases by Poetic Cases. Now, I've always liked their product. I've always liked their work. And again, we got to thank them for sponsoring this video. Now, we got a couple of cases, right? Protection is important for all smartphones, right? Because I'm going to tell you one thing. I dropped my Galaxy Note 20 the other day. I had a case on it and it saved me. I heard somebody else drop their Galaxy Note 20 and it smashed. So we were lucky. So we may this year with this phone wear more cases just because of that. All right. But my phone still likes to be butt naked. I just had to get that out. All right. So we're going to check out the Spartan series, right? So we'll put this to the side, put that over there, and let's check out this case. Now, this particular case is military grade tested. This case does not come with the screen protection. They don't offer that one on this case. But I do like the design. You got a built-in kickstand, which we're going to check out with the phone in the case. The inside feels hard, right? It's a hard TPU, but I do like the design on the outside. It really makes this stand out. Now, this actual case comes in more than just this color. It comes in a green color, if I got it right. And also, you're going to get this in a blue and you got red. You got to have a red or a blue at least, and a black. A black goes with anything, right? But that red case, it looks hot. Right now, you get P for Poetic right there. I thought that was pretty nice that they did that. Your camera placement, we're going to check and see if you got any protection there. We're going to check out the lips to make sure you got protection there as well, because that's definitely important, especially for privacy and laying your phone down on the table. You got your ports. This is going to cover your charging port, and you got your speaker, your mic, and you also get your S Pen cutout speaker at the top. We're going to check out all of that, button placements, and we're going to see how that lines up. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's put the case in. It's a little notch here. You just kind of pull it down and pull this out, and you got to put your phone in facing down. Okay, kind of snap it in all the corners. Then I take the case. Then I'll put it in down at the bottom first. And then I snap it on. And there you go. Now you got a rugged case. All right. So it looks nice, right? So your camera is raised. So therefore, when you lay it down, it's not going to lay on your camera, which is important. I'm still going to go buy a screen protector. If you want to see a review of that, hit me in the comment section down below. You got these that raises it up off the case a little bit, so therefore you don't get it scuffed up that much, which I thought was pretty cool. Now your port cutouts looks precise. Speaker grill, mic, your S Pen comes right out. The front looks nice. Now, this is black TPU, and then you got this kind of like a gunmetal look. It's black, but it looks gunmetal to me. But you got that same trim around the rim of the smartphone, which is awesome. So if I lay it on the table, I'm protected. So the lip does come up quite a bit, which I thought was pretty nice. So you don't have to worry about if you slam your phone down, you're going to have the protection that you need for the smartphone. Just check out the button placement. All right, comes on, turn it off. All right, let me go ahead and see if I can use my fingerprint scanner. You see the fingerprint scanner is a hit or miss sometimes. I hate that. But let's check out the volume button. There you go. Works with no problem. Now, does it feel hefty? Yes, you got some weight to it, but you got protection and it looks good. Now, let's see if it's wireless friendly. Check that out. Quick, fast, easy. That's important, but this is nice. It's nice. It's stylish. I can watch YouTube on my, my lunch break. Yes, very nice case. I do like the color. Going to tie into whatever outfit I may have on for the day, which is awesome. And do you like this wallpaper? All right, y'all, let's check out case number 2. Remember, I'm going to leave the link to both cases in the description box down below, and also for the Galaxy Note 20 if they have it in these models. All right, you all, this one is the Poetic Guardian series design, especially for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And again, we're going to check, make sure that they have it for the Galaxy Note 20 as well. Now, this one has been military grade drop tested. This does not have a screen cover to protect your screen, but it's going to protect the back of your phone and the corners, which is very, very important. It's got polycarbonate back and TPU lining bumper, right, which is going to protect your phone. So let's go ahead. Let's check this case out. See how nice this one is compared to the first one. All right. I like this one. The Guardian edition, Guardian series, not bad. What I like about this case, first off, is the design. It is not a basic design for a clear case. And normally clear cases are just that, they're clear. They don't have no real design. This one does. I like this look right here. And I like the fact that they blended it in with another color to help bring out the case. But you also got Poetic down at the bottom, which gives this definitely a premium look. We're going to check out, of course, to see if we got any protection for the camera. We're going to check out your placements, your ports, cutouts to make sure everything lines up. And we're going to check out the button placement. But all in all, I like this, right? Because this gray goes with the gray that's going around the seal of this case. Not bad for a clear case at all. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's put the Galaxy Note 20 in here. Let's get this out of here real quick. You put this in the same way you put the other one in, face down. Just kind of line it up. And then I normally take my case and I put it in at the bottom first. And then I go to the top and kind of snap it in on the sides as well. And we should be all good. Now, this is in. It's not a bad look at all, right? This is the back. Now, if you got the Mystic Bronze, this is going to really look nice because it's going to bring out this black. I got all black. It's just going to blend in, gives you a blacked out look, which is nice. Now, your camera placement, it does raise, right? It does raise. Not as much as the case before it, but you do have some protection. It seems like everything lines up here. Don't have to worry about that. S Pen comes out, no problem. Let's check out the buttons, make sure the power button works. That works. Let's go ahead and check out the volume. You see how I have to do that twice? All right, there you go. All right, button works. So I like the feel, right? Now, you do get a heavier feel, but it's a premium heavy feel, and it feels good. It feels good in the hand. I like the smoothness in this case. Also, you get these reinforced bumpers at the top, which is going to protect the corners of your phone. You got them all the way around. It looks absolutely nice. And the lips are raised beautifully. So if I drop it, you see how that bounced? You don't have to worry about it. You mad? You throw your phone on the table, you all good. So this has a good feel to it. Soft, feels premium, and it looks nice. I like it. Now let's see if it's wireless charging friendly. No problem. Starts charging right away. So this is cool, right? I still be able to get to my, there you go, my edge screen. So this is awesome. I like it. I thought this was definitely a great looking case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of these two cases by Poetic Cases. And make sure you hit the like button on the way out because it does help the channel. Smash the notification bell so you can always get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.